guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something super exciting to share with you. Imagine turning every mundane moment into a thrilling adventure with just a tap on your phone. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, get ready to dive into the world of UnboxSurprise, an app that's redefining the joy of unboxing anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on your commute or just taking a quick break, this app promises to sprinkle a bit of magic into your everyday life. So, what's the deal with UnboxSurprise? Picture this, you tap and surprise! Each tap reveals a unique prize. From cute toys to handy gadgets, even top electronics. It's like having a surprise party in your pocket. And yes, you get to keep your treasures safely stored in your personal prize cabinet. You can choose between 4 exciting categories: blind boxes, collectible figures like Skull Panda, Genshin Impact, Dimmu, and more. DIY prize set, anime, Pokemon, Gundam, and other fan favourite sets. Mugen Boxes, the jackpot zone, Lego collections, drones, smartwatches, and even the brand new iPhone 17. Ichiban Kuji, authentic Japanese lotteries with Naruto, One Piece, JoJo, and Dragon Ball. Simply pick a box, tap draw, and reveal your prize. And here's the best part, the win rate is very high, so your chances of getting something valuable are always in your favour. Look, I just won the product I wanted, and the feeling is amazing. Not happy with your draw? No worries. With just a few clicks, you can exchange your prize directly in the app. Prefer delivery? Your prize ships to your door in just 15 days. But that's not all. UnboxSurprise also rewards its players with extra benefits. Spin the lucky wheel daily or weekly to win tokens and discount coupons worth up to $50. Complete daily and weekly tasks to earn free spins and special rewards. And enjoy the rebate system, giving you up to 2.5% cashback the more you play. So it's not just about winning prizes, it's about winning more often, saving more, and having fun every single day. And now, the most exciting part, a special giveaway just for you. Together with UnboxSurprise, we're giving away prizes worth almost $500. The grand prize, brand new Apple AirPods Pro 3, a Vivitar Aqua underwater camera, and a Miles Morales collectible figure from Pop Mart. To participate, it's super easy. Just leave a comment below with the app's name, UnboxSurprise, and your registered username. Winners will be selected directly by the UnboxSurprise team and announced right here in the comments. So don't miss your chance. Download UnboxSurprise, start winning with high odds, and join our giveaway today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one.